Well, choosing the right ERP can transform your business efficiency. Today we'll be comparing Odoo and TallyPrime to see which one truly powers growth and scalability for your organization. Odoo on one hand is a unified ERP with modules from CRM, sales, inventory, accounting, HR, manufacturing, e-commerce and much more. It is deployable through cloud and on-premise solutions and is best suitable for businesses that are seeking end-to-end automation and scalability. Its key strength is that it integrates all business functions, it is highly customizable, modular and GST compliant for Indian businesses. On the other hand, TallyPrime is basically an accounting-focused ERP. It can be deployed on a desktop and has limited cloud capabilities. It is suitable for small to medium-sized businesses that are focusing primarily on accounting, GST compliance, and basic inventory management. Its key strength is that it is user-friendly, it can be quickly set up, has strong financial reporting, and is GST ready. So let's get ahead and let's see the difference between the Odoo ERP and TallyPrime. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. So I've just done one thing, I've just broken down these features and we'll be comparing the Odoo and the TallyPrime all together there. So let's get ahead. So here you can see that for the accounting and finance, Odoo is a full-featured accounting, multi-currency and multi-company real-time dashboards software. While as TallyPrime, it has core accounting features, it is GST ready and it has standard reporting. So all in all, for the accounting and finance, you can see that Odoo integrates accounting with all other business functions altogether. If we talk about GST compliance, Odoo is already fully GST compliant with the automatic calculations and reportings. TallyPrime also is GST compliant for the Indian businesses. And here we can see that GST compliance feature for the Odoo and TallyPrime, both are GST ready, but Odoo basically integrates GST into all other modules, including sales, purchase, and inventory. Now, if we talk about inventory in stock, here you can see that Odoo has real-time stock tracking, it has batch and serial number tracking, it also has multi-warehouse management as well. But TallyPrime, on the other hand, it has basic stock management. So what we get from this is that for the inventory in stock, Odoo supports automated replenishments, it has lot tracking and multi-warehouse setups as well. And for the CRM and sales, we can see that Odoo has lead management, opportunity tracking, sales automation, while as TallyPrime, it has limited CRM functionality. And here, Odoo allows full sales cycle management from lead to invoicing as well. For the purchase management, Odoo has vendor management, purchase orders, RFQs, and automated procurement, while TallyPrime has limited purchase workflows there. So what we get from this for the purchase management is that purchase workflows in Odoo are integrated with inventory and accounting as well. If we talk about manufacturing and the MRP, well, Odoo has the bill of materials, work orders, production planning and quality checks as well. But on the other hand, TallyPrime is not having the manufacturing and MRP. So what we get from this is that Odoo basically unifies the production, inventory and finance operations as well. For the HR and payroll, Odoo is already having employee management, attendance, payrolls and appraisals, while TallyPrime has limited HR features. So Odoo basically unifies the HR and the finance as well. If we talk about e-commerce and website, Odoo already has website builder, it has online sales, integrated marketing tools, while e-commerce and website is not available on the TallyPrime. So basically Odoo provides integrated digital sales channel as well. Now, if we talk about the reporting and analytics, Odoo is already having real-time dashboards, customizable reports, and advanced business intelligence, while TallyPrime is having standard financial reports. So Odoo basically provides insights across all departments and not just accounting. And if we talk about integrations, well, Odoo has wide range of third-party apps and APIs, while TallyPrime has limited integration. So Odoo allows automation and connectivity across business functions as well. So yes, that was the feature comparison there, and now let's see the pros and cons of Odoo as well as for the Tally itself. Now Odoo, it's a unified ERP with all business functions in one platform. It is highly modular and customizable. It is scalable from SMEs to large enterprises. It is cloud ready and mobile friendly. You have real-time dashboards and advanced reporting in it. You also get GST compliance that is integrated across all modules. Now there are some cons as well to mention. So for example, the initial setup and the module configuration basically requires planning, and the learning curve for full ERP adoption is there. Now if you talk about the TallyPrime pros, well, it is user-friendly accounting software. It is quick, it has a quick setup, and it has minimal training that is required. It is GST ready with strong financial reporting, and it's ideal for basically small businesses that are focusing on accounting itself. Now for the cons, it has limited functionality beyond accounting and basic inventory. There is no CRM, manufacturing or e-commerce modules within it. There is minimal integration capabilities with other business functions. So if your business wants an end-to-end automation, real-time insights and scalable growth, well, Odoo is the ideal unified ERP system that you can get. And TallyPrime is basically excellent for accounting focused small businesses, but for complete integrated solution that covers almost each and every department, well, I can say that Odoo is a clear choice. So yes, if you want to discover how Odoo can transform your business, you can drop us a line at sales@aperture.com to know more.